The key lesson basically points to a very important idea that is at the heart of what we are studying this weekend. But really, this weekend's study is more than a lifetime's study, because there is so much waiting literally within you to be realized by you. And that idea in itself is extraordinary, because it means that that which I will eventually understand, and that will be the foundation of my being at the time of that new understanding, is already standing somewhere within me as I am and what I am right now. So that it's not really a question so much of something all of a sudden new being born, as it is that we are born into a new relationship with ourselves, wherein we understand that the indwelling Christ, the Buddha, what you would call it, matters not to me, awaits us just as the sun comes out and the sunflower awaits its warmth and its heat in order to produce what a sunflower will produce, which is what? Sunflower seeds. Attention is connection. Connection is exchange. Exchange is relationship. And the relationship between any two creations under law gives birth to the creation of a third body. A third body that is conceived from the relationship that takes place when any two creatures are joined together. This is elementary biology, physics, and cooking. You look at that sunflower. Do you know what phototropic means? There's a lot of flowers that actually, if you watch them, they don't open till the sun comes out, and they follow the sun as best they can with their little bodies. And then when the sun goes down, the leaves close up. So you could say, if you were willing to look at it as above, so below, that there is something that lives in that creature that we wouldn't necessarily think of as intelligent, but in some ways it's a lot smarter than we are. At least it always has its attention on what gives it life. That in that attention that it gives to the sun, and the attention that the sun gives to the flower in a very specific manner, brings about, through that relationship and that attention, a new birth. The seed that will come from the sunflower, because it attends to the light that nourishes it and brings forth from it that which it cannot bring forth without that which it attends to.